I love when I see old people together because it makes me believe that true love exists. Let me repeat the sentence to make it clear. I love when I see old people together because it makes me believe that true love exists. In our modern society, sometimes we hear that family breakup, and there are many news on newspaper available about divorce. Actually, this is happening in this modern era frequently. Every day in our society there is a news about separation, divorce. Why? This is the only reason people want to live alone nowadays. They can't sustain others' bad behavior, rude behavior. But they don't think they also talking about others' behavior, others' rude behavior, others' bad behavior. They only think about themselves. We can say in a word they are self-centered. That is the main reason. When a person becomes self-centered, that is the main reason at the time, and the person wants to be separated from his or her husband and wife. They don't feel the life is enjoyable. They think their conjugal life is full of agony, pain, and bitterness. At that time, they take the decision to be separated. They can't sustain others, their partner's behavior. They can't take easily their partner's opinion. They think their partner's expressions is totally wrong. They think they have no right to live together. When there is other thing and opinion, people believe that when women become self-employed, the women got the full confidence to lead her life alone, and she doesn't care about her partner. She wants to lead a life in her way, totally in her way, and she gradually try to disobey her husband. She gradually disobey her in-laws, parents. She gradually disobey any other person who interfere about her work, about her activities. That's why day by day in our society, above all in our country, divorce numbers are increasing. This is dangerous. It's not a good news. It has a bad impact on our next generation. The next generation will take it easy. They will see everywhere it is happening regularly, and there is no place where there is no person who is living alone with his loneliness. By the way, we have to think and rethink about these activities, because separation is not the last solution. The last solution is to be together. When you live together with your partner, with your husband and wife, that time you will got peace in your mind. Almighty will indirectly give you peace in your mind. That is why I said the sentence, I feel happy when I see all people together, because it makes me believe that true love exists. Yes, I feel happy when I see all people together, because it makes me believe that true love exists. Nowadays, true love is rare. Boys are cheating girls, girls are cheating boys. We have to refrain from such type of bad activities. We have to refrain from such type of heinous crime. Destroying a heart is not a simple thing. It's a big crime. You have to confess yourselves in the next life. So be aware about this and be happy with your partner, and people will say, really, I am feeling really happy when I see all people together, because still now it is making me believe that true love exists. Thank you so much. Bye bye.